Hello and welcome to our video showcasing the benefits of our power wheel designed for round vibratory screeners. Without the power wheel, there is a tendency for some of the input material to make its way to the very outside part of the screen, where it will sit and not be screened efficiently, as you can see on screen. The material sits and keeps rotating around the edge of the screen without being moved toward the outspout or through the screen layer below to the next screen in the setup. This is where the power wheel comes in and eliminates the material being allowed to rotate around the edge of the screen. Fabricated with FDA nylon sliders tied together with an FDA and EC polyurethane belt, the power wheel is designed to keep the material in the most efficient part of the screen. The outer third is where the range of motion is greatest on the screen. By helping the material spend more time on the most efficient part of the screen, the power wheel increases the opportunity for the material to go through the screen and increases the overall throughput efficiency of your screening setup. The power wheel achieves this by first breaking down the material that will bunch up and agglomerate, and then second, keeping it in the outer third of the screen for as much time as possible to allow for sufficient screening. If you are interested in our power wheel, visit our website and navigate to the self-cleaning section where you will find the power wheel amongst other products that will help with throughput efficiency. If you have any further questions, feel free to call us at 866-265-1575.